Welcome in this video about Bonita 7.10 new feature. In this video, we will cover the evolution regarding the supported environment for Bonita server. Let's start with database supported, and here we have just one small change regarding character encoding supported with MySQL. In 7.10, we now support UTF-8 MB4 instead of UTF-8 MB3 in previous version. That allow you to store all kind of Unicode characters without any restriction in MySQL database, having the same kind of support as you already have in with other database vendors. And that's it for regarding the database evolution. And we also have evolution regarding the application server we support. As previously announced, we dropped the support of Wildfly in this version. In 7.10, we no longer provide a bundle of Bonita with Wildfly. If you use Wildfly and want to update to Bonita 7.10, what we advise is to migrate to a Bonita Tomcat bundle, and you can find detailed information to that in the documentation. Also note that since Bonita 7.9, you can use the Bonita Tomcat bundle with SQL Server. This was a limitation in previous version of Bonita, but since 7.9, with an evolution of the transaction manager in the bundle, you can safely use Tomcat bundle with Microsoft SQL Server. As we dropped Wildfly support, we also stopped the support of AGB, and the alternative to that is to use the REST API. It's the API we recommend to use in order to interact and drive Bonita engine. Finally, we provide with this version an official Docker image for both Community and Enterprise Edition. Docker image for Community Edition was already available for previous version, but this is the first time we provide an official Docker image for Enterprise Edition. And Docker image is probably the recommended solution for installation if you are familiar with Docker. It's probably the most convenient one and the most reliable one. And last words about the connectors. So in this version, we no longer provide a specific connector for Alfresco CMS, but instead we recommend to use our generic connector that rely on the CMIS content manager, on the CMIS standard. So this standard is allow interoperability with various content management systems, including Alfresco. Also, we no longer include in this version the transactional GroovyScript connector. It was deprecated for a while, and now it's removed from Bonita 7.10. But an alternative is also available. We have the non-transactional GroovyScript connector, was out for a while. So that's it for the evolution regarding supported environment in this latest release of Bonita. If you have any question, please reach out using the contact form available on the website or the community forum. Thank you for listening, and stay tuned for more videos regarding Bonita 7.10.